Now to the border crisis, and today President Biden unveiled a sweeping immigration relief program that offers legal status to 500,000 undocumented immigrants.
Today I'm announcing new measures to clarify and speed up work visas to help people, including dreamers, who have graduated from U.S. colleges and universities, landed jobs in high-demand, high-skilled professions that we need to have grow to see our economy grow.
So here's the fine print. Undocumented immigrants must have lived in the U.S. for 10 years and be married to a U.S. citizen. They can apply for legal permanent residency without leaving the country, but they also have to pass a background check. The idea, of course, to keep families together while they wait to receive that permanent residency. And another perk, the policy allows immigrants to get a work permit while they wait. The date of today's announcement was chosen for a reason. It marks the 12th anniversary of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, better known as DACA. Former President Barack Obama instituted DACA. It protects people who were brought to the U.S. illegally as children. It also gave them work authorization, but it did not give them a path to permanent residency or citizenship. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services says that there are just under 530,000 active DACA recipients in the country today. So let's unpack this with immigration attorney Deron Smallcomb. Deron, you're an immigration attorney. You help people who are trying to navigate the system legally. Some people will say that Biden's plan actually rewards, even incentivizes people who came here illegally. What do you think?
That's a fair take. In nearly 15 years, that's one of the most significant changes I've seen to the immigration system, which is happening today. Over 500,000 spouses of U.S. citizens are now eligible to do a program called Parole in Place. This is a very unique opportunity that was only available to spouses of military members, where you can acquire status in the United States. And by acquiring some sort of status in the United States, you can adjust your status to permanent residence and ultimately citizenship. This is a major change to the way immigration's been done.
Peel back the curtain for us, because I don't think most people understand how difficult is it for people to become a citizen the correct way, the legal way, through the system.
Very difficult. Quite frankly, so when somebody hires us at the beginning of the process, by the time they become a citizen through some sort of legal pathway, they've gone through 3 or 4 processes to get there. And it usually takes at least 5 years to get through that process. A lot of paperwork, a lot of filing fees, a lot of waiting, a lot of stress. And to do it right is very, very difficult. Very difficult.
So if the end result is to make a pathway to citizenship easier, why not overhaul the immigration process in general to make it more achievable for people?
Well, that's really what needs to be done, Chris, at the end of the day, is our system is broken and we keep putting Band-Aids on it to fix little parts of it. And we add little incentives here and there for whatever way the political winds are blowing to allow more people into the fold. And I get it, but it's not a system that works anymore. We keep out people that are from friendly nations to us because of laws that were created in the 19th century. And we bring in people that don't value our American ideals and ways. And we need to be able to bring in the immigrants that want to come here, want to contribute, that believe in our values and believe in what America stands for. And the more, the better, as far as I'm concerned, when it comes to that. But unfortunately, our immigration systems, as it stands, does not incentivize the correct people in some ways to come here.
Deron Smallcomb, great to see you. Thank you for your insight tonight.